Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications. Please like and comment my video. Hello friends, this video was made based on the newspaper ads. Urgently required ITI fitters diploma mechanical in assembly section for Palmore Steel Private Limited, Kalakal Industrial Area, 9441229800. Home tutor required for general English spoken and writing for a 14 days boy at Saidabad, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. 9908303786. Walk-in reputed bank hiring retired and VRS homemakers professionals. Business people. Contact 984 99847 425. Wanted qualified teachers for high school, degree and BEd subjects, mathematics, physical science, biological and English. Anjuman Boys High School. Contacts 9398 362176. Geetanjali Devakul, Kukatpalli. We need an experienced qualified English teacher who can teach for classes 6 to 10. Interested candidates to send their resumes. 040-231-60096. Mail ID ggos.kkp@gmail.com. Wanted qualified experienced 5 years principal along with teachers for all subjects from classes nursery to 10th at Sanat Nagar, Begumpet branches and Vijayawada. Walk-in interview from Monday. Contacts 9490-453-777. Next, wanted experienced teachers fluent in English to teach mathematics for higher classes immediately. Contact Principal, St. Little Teresa's High School, Sharada Nagar, Safilguda, Malkasgiri. Contact 9866 114716. Required experienced automized e-commerce dynamic web designer for website development, social media platforms, marketing and management, media apps with sound, pictures, graphics, video clips and post hostings, issues resolvents. Contact 9912234560. Wanted stenographer, stenography skills offering agreements and coordination experience, minimum 10 years. 040-270-1617-660. Wanted stenographer, experience 5 to 10 years. Age 35 to 40. Graduate English medium. Well versed in computer operations, lowest shorthand. indoforce@gmail.com. Contact number 9989 Urgently required junior hydrologist. We are a Hyderabad-based integrated sustainability consulting company looking for a hydrologist with a geophysical experience of 3 to 4 years. hr@mainstain.com. Wanted urgently security officer and ASO, 8 hours duty in Begumpet. Contact 970-555-3283. Required ex-servicemen, security officers, civilian, assistant security officers. Contact 9100-293-229. Software. Wanted system admin with a good experience, knowledge of computers and networking. info@tca.in. Prestigious jewelry store required senior sales executive, assistant sales executive, customer service executive, accounts executive and telecalling executives with valid visa to USA for sales. Contact 040-420-25620. Inviting smart, task-oriented, experienced and qualified accountants, supervisor, computer operator, MEIs, executives, marketing, sales, telecaller and proficient in English. hr@quickpower.com. Contact number 9381224301. Wanted experienced staff for TVS two-wheeler showroom. Contact number 9533 Hiring for Flash Bricks Factory at Patancheru. Plant in charge vacancy, production in charge, supervisors, store in charge. 10 to 15,000 plus food and accommodation at factory premises. KSP Eco Bricks, Shivanagar Village, Patancheru, Jinaram Mandal, Hyderabad. Contact number 9030 777 213. Reputed BPO requires front office executives and back-end executives required at Sainik Puri. Contact 99852 66291. Best opportunity near high-tech city with excellent package for front office executive and business development executive. Contact info at richmint.in. Contact number 95738777211. Project managers, site engineers, admin staff, and sales executives required for a reputed real estate developer at Banlaguda. HR at pallavidevelopers.com. Wanted networking engineers, splicers, field technician for a reputed ISP private limited company. Freshers experienced candidates. Info at hightechbroadband.in. Contact 93910105557. Wanted driver, office collection boys. Contact 99087 Looking for marketing manager, counter sales and account assistant for reputed electrical distributor. 7032993250. Telecaller married only. Senior sales coordinator. Info at southernplantates.com 9989641414. Splendor Projects Private Limited requires senior marketing and sales executive, minimum 5 years experience. Contact 9100010760. Wanted for a firm of CA at Abbott's, senior audit assistant, retired banker, tax assistant with minimum 3 years experience, filing clerk, office boy, receptionist, computer operator, accountant, office assistant. Part-time, full-time, retired or unemployed. Good opportunity. Looking for marketing manager, counter sales, account assistant. 7032993250. Telecaller. Classic reflective. Pavers IDA Nacharam. Hyderabad requires experienced senior electrician welder. Walk-in interview. Contact 8008675959. Real estate developer required GM construction, GM site admin, GM HR admin manager, legal and liaison, senior engineers, senior architect, senior manager, customer care, site managers, loan and collections, junior engineers. Walk-ins Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Contact Modi Builders, 4th floor, Ashoka High Tech Chambers, Banjara Hills. 04066336633 contact number. Reputed BPO requires front office executives and back-end executives. ACS India HR@gmail.com. Best opportunity near high-tech city with excellent package. Opening for front office executives and business development executives with experience, immediate appointment. Info at richmint.in. Project managers, site engineers, admin staff and sales executives required for a reputed real estate developer at Badlaguda. Wanted networking engineers, splicer, field technician. Wanted driver. Looking for a marketing manager, counter sales. Wanted experience to staff for TVS two-wheeler showroom and sales, sale and service spare parts. Hiring for Flash Bricks Factory. Wanted a radiologist in private diagnostics, Warangal, to report US CT and MRI. Wanted a neurologist in running clinic, Hanmakunda. 9705888857. Wanted gynec, DMO for Banjara Hills branch. Wanted pediatrician, general physician, pulmonologist, diabetologist for running hospital at Tadur. Wanted marketing managers, lab technicians, phlebotomists, collection agents. Wanted marketing executives, NICU nurses, DIAS, pharmacist. Call Dr. Nitesh 9603810556. Pharma D physician assistant required for Kakatiya Hospital, Gopanpalli 9949509962. Wanted sales managers for India's most reputed life insurance company 7989807514. Wanted liaising manager in charge. Candidate should be graduate with good communication skills and having 2-3 years experience. Info newproject7@gmail.com. Wanted experienced lady manager with a computer knowledge to manage ladies clothes boutique in Mossop Tanko. Contact 99632 81536. Wanted experienced pharmacist and store manager for supermarket at Dilsukh Nagar. 9989080888. MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, DMO wanted in rural areas. Wanted faculty to teach UG courses. Contacts MNR degree college at gmail.com. Wanted lectures for G NEET Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Botany and Zoology. Contact Hayat Junior College at gmail.com. 7013788366. Reputed college in Kottapet needs experienced faculty for all subjects. Contact 95050858823. Walk-in interview, urgent required female lecturers in nutrition, civics, accountants, good-looking lady counselor. info@oscollege.in. Contact number 91210-13629. Urgently required back-end data entry coordinator with a minimum 1 year experience. Contact number 99080-19243. Walk-in interview from 21st September. Wanted a lady good in English language. Apply in your own handwriting with a passport size photograph and biodata to Ramarao. Karkhana. Contact number 9849899000. A required total station operator with AutoCAD 2 year and junior civil engineer plus ERP with a proficient in MS Office and AutoCAD with 2 years. Email ramesh.a0111@gmail.com. A required total station operator with AutoCAD. Work-in interview. Wanted civil engineer with a 2 years experience. Wanted civil engineer with experience in construction contract. Required qualified civil engineer. Urgently required civil engineers with a 10 to 15 years experience. wminfraprojects@gmail.com mail ID. Required retired civil engineers. A preferable experience infrastructure projects LB Nagar. Wanted gynec GMO for Banjara Hills branch. Pharmacist ward nurses for Bashir Bagh branch. Call Dr. Nitish 9603810556. Wanted pediatrician, general physician, pulmonologist, diabetologist, marketing managers, lab technicians, executives, NICU nurses, pharmacy physician, assistant required for Kakatiya Hospital, Kopanpalli. Wanted experienced junior accountant, receptionist and diagnostic center in Hyderguda, Bashir Bagh 7331181907. Wanted well experienced collection executive. Law officers. Wanted legal executives for reputed railway infra company. kvinfra@gmail.com mail ID. Required experienced lecturers for all subjects. Front office staff, banquet manager, kitchen supervisor, female trainee chefs, hotel management graduates, store manager wanted. That 9866989406. HRD and administrative. Wanted qualified female computer operator. Required office manager. We are looking for a senior HR manager. Wanted civil engineer with 2 years experience. Wanted civil engineer with experience construction. Urgently required. Required retired civil engineers. Urgently required back-end data entry coordinator. Required total station operator. Walk-in interview. BE MTech chemical engineering. Wanted with DRE or non-DRE certificate. Urgently required female telecallers for a leading bank partner. Wanted telecallers. Wanted fresher and experienced candidates. Walk-in interview. Intern BSc chemistry with communication skills. Pragati Labs. Lab chemist for a food industry. Wanted 5 years experience senior architect. Walk-in with a resume having 3 years experience. Architectural draftsman. Wanted female beauticians, staff ladies. Female telecallers required. Work from home office. Walk-in FMCG company urgently required 20 direct field sales representatives. Required experience telemarketing and sales executives. Real estate development company required team leaders. Send CV resume to email adventure2020k@gmail.com. Wanted sales associates. Wanted 2 to 3 years experience. Required sales executives. Wanted account assistants. Accountant for NGO in high secondary. Wanted accountants and supervisors. Wanted article paid assistants for reputed CA firm, Hyderabad. Senior accountant in Shamirpet. Accountant qualified experienced holder male or female accountant. HR@starbeast.in. Wanted female accountant graduate. Wanted account assistant. Wanted experience in sales marketing, admin and marketing. Team leaders at Shadnagar. ASM sales executive microbiologist. Walk-in interview for freshers and experienced. Well-known ISO certified construction company. A leading software company requires marketing managers. Maharshi @mymtechnologies.com. Marketing executives. Oriental sales manager. Wanted female accountant 2 years experience. Associates firm of CA. Accountant. Site accountants. Qualification become minimum 2 years. Friends, these are the jobs for today. If you like the video, press like button, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.